Okay, the first thing we need to do to install Studio into Canvas, and you'll have to do this every time you use a new device, we're going to go up to the kiosk, which is the little split U at the top here, and we're going to click Install Software. You can type in the search bar here Canvas, which I've already done, and it's going to come up here called Canvas Studio Setup. You're going to click Install on that. So once it's installed, you're going to have Screen Recorder ready, go back to the web page to start a recording, but that's not what we're going to do. So you can click OK on that, and at this point you need to reboot your computer. So I'm going to reboot the computer, and then I'll be back with you here in a little bit. Okay, so the computer's been restarted. The first thing we need to do here is go to our System Preferences. So I'm going to come down here, click on the System Preference button. You need to be on this System Preferences page, and we're going to click on Security and Privacy. Once you click on that, you need to click on Privacy. And then you're going to scroll down here until you find Screen Recording, and there it is right there. And there is the Screen Recorder launcher that needs to be selected. So you're going to click that, and then you can close this window. And then should be good. So then after that, you can go to Studio and Canvas. Well, I'll show you in a further video how to actually use Studio. But if we are coming up here and we click on the record, and we do a screen capture. Do you want to allow this page to open Screen Recorder Launcher? We do want to allow that. Screen Recorder Launcher would like access to the microphone. Yes, select OK. Sometimes there's another thing that comes up that says, do you want to download thing? But we've already done that, and so just wait a couple seconds and that thing will disappear. We also want to turn on the audio. So on the computer audio here, you click here and you can click yes, and you'd be able to start using Studio if you watch the next video. So that's what you do to install Studio into Canvas. You have to do that whenever you use a new device. Once you're on a device and you've done that the first time, you would never have to do any of that stuff again. Hope that makes sense.